Cherokee 255RR. Kick your adventures up a notch with the Cherokee 255RR. The mag wheels are much lighter than steel and won't rust, so they stay looking great. There's tons of space for all your added camping gear in the pass-through storage area outside. Stay warm in the winter with the 30K BTU furnace and cool in the summer with the 13.5K air conditioner. A GVWR of 11,574 pounds and a UVWR of 6,887 pounds afford you 4,687 pounds of cargo hauling ability. Dual opposing sofas in the garage come with a removable table, so you can use it as a living room, dining area, or fold the sofas into a bed for a bedroom. Stock up the huge walk-in pantry and the double-door refrigerator with all your rations. A triple burner cooktop and optional oven make home-cooked meals easy to create wherever you are. You'll find dual entrances into the full bath so you can access it from both the hallway and the master bedroom. A large medicine cabinet and storage in the vanity offers space for toiletries and linens. The USB charging station next to the bed will keep those important devices up and running for you. Relax and enjoy a sneeze-free sleep on the evergreen hypoallergenic mattress that lines the queen bed. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.